Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your general knowledge class. Today, we will discuss about unique words, and this lecture is for 8th class. So, let us begin. Unique words. First one. It is a small wading bird. Now, what are the wading birds? Birds which can go through a shallow water in search of food. So it's a small wading bird with a unique spatula shape. Now what is spatula shaped? A kitchen utensil with a flat surface attached to a long handle. It's like spatula. So its bill, you can see in the picture also, the bill of the bird is like spatula. Every year it flies about 8,000 kilometers from its breeding grounds in northeast in Russia to its main wintering grounds in Bangladesh and Myanmar. Answer is spoon-billed sandpiper. You can see the picture also. Second, it resembles the old-fashioned secretary carrying quill pens tucked behind its ear. So you can see this bird, this secretary bird. You can see the feathers which are tucked behind its head. They resembles the old-fashioned secretaries who are carrying the quill pens tucked behind their ears. This unmistakable African bird has an incredible method of stalking. Now what is stalking? Hunting by moving silently and stealthily, stalking its prey which it often stamps on before swallowing whole. Answer is secretary bird. Next, also known as little dodo, this bird is found only on the island of Samoa in Pacific Ocean, with fewer than 250 adults estimated to survive. Urgent action is needed to save these species from the same fate as its infamous relative, the extinct dodo. The answer is tooth-billed pigeon. Next, this iconic black and white bird of grasslands and open fields is best known for the male's elaborate aerial courtship. During its flight, it do these aerial courtships, which it displays in which it leaps vertically in the air in a flurry of wings and legs to attract a mate. The answer is lesser floricorn. Next, this beautiful fiery bird is found only on one island of the coast of Chile. During territorial disputes, when this bird is having territorial disputes with another birds, it hovers in front of the intruder. It starts flying and hovering around that intruder and flashes its crown. It flashes its crown. Crown is head of the bird. It flashes its crown of stunning iridescent. Now what is stunning iridescent? Iridescent is the brilliant, lustrous and colorful. Now next one is plumage. Plumage is layer or collection of feathers covering a bird's body. Now on its crown, that's its head, there is brilliant, lustrous and colorful plumage. It will flash its head into the head of the another bird or the intruder, and it will start hovering around that bird. Now the name of this bird is Juan Fernandez firecrown. Next, it's a highly unusual flightless bird. It resembles something between a small heron. Now what is heron? A long-necked, long-legged wading bird. Now what is a wading bird, you know. And a rail, a bird of Rafinesque family. Due to its startling, now what is startling? Surprising and shocking Ash white plumage. Now what is plumage? The layer or collection of feathers covering a bird's body. Ash white plumage, it is locally known as the ghost of the forest. Answer is Kagu. Next, on page number 44, you are having quiz, animals and plants. First one, what is the favorite food of giant panda? Answer is bamboo shoots. Leaves of which plant does a silkworm prefer to eat? Answer is mulberry. Approximately how long is the giraffe's neck? Answer is 3 meters. Next, which plant has flowers but no proper leaves? Answer is cactus. Which flightless marine bird of the southern hemisphere lives in rockeries? Answer is penguins. Sixth, which species of decapod? Now what is decapod? Any of various animals having 10 legs. Now which species of decapod has varieties called fiddler, spider and hermit? It's crab. Next, which birds are the only birds able to fly backward? Answer is hummingbird. Next, photosynthesis is carried out in which part of the cells? Answer is chloroplast. Next, what is the name of the protective layer of the trees? Answer is bark. Next, what is the young one of the bats called? Answer is pups. Next, which animal can move by jet propulsion? Answer is octopus. Next, what's the name given to the study of birds? Answer is ornithology. Next, what type of seaweed grows up to 100 meters in length and is formed for its alginates? What is alginates? It is a salt extracted from seaweeds. Answer is kelp. Next and last, which vertebrates have a skeleton of cartilage rather than bone? Answer is sharks. With this, we have finished our first unit, that is the world around us. In our next video, we will start our next unit, the magic of words. Thank you.